Good morning, guys. So I got a video here that I'm putting together. It's from a C7 Z06 that I did back in, I want to say it was back in June. Like I mentioned, I have a bunch of videos that I just haven't really gotten a chance to get around to editing, and I'm trying to get as many done as I can here. Pretty much basic build on this car. It has a smaller pulley on it. It's got long tube headers, full exhaust, and a cold air intake. I don't remember exactly what brand it is. I want to say it was AFE. It has a faster proms coolant reservoir in it for the supercharger, which I was putting bagged ice in while I was doing the pulls here on the dyno, and then I installed a nitrous shot on it. Main issue we were having with the car is it was starting to run out of fuel with the nitrous. We kind of knew that was going to happen ahead of time, but that's basically it. Pretty basic build. Nothing real crazy going on with it. It was an automatic car, and here comes the video of it. Alright guys, so wrapping up this video, the first run I posted, that was just naturally aspirated, well actually supercharged, no nitrous. It made 628 horsepower and 751 foot-pounds of torque. Kind of give you a little bit of an idea here on the newer Gen 5 motors. They don't have everything opened up yet, and there's no way to lock the torque converter as of right now. So some of the torque flare that you're seeing at the beginning of the chart, especially on the nitrous run that you see, is a byproduct of the torque converter kind of spinning up before the trans really kicks in. It kind of makes a little bit of a flare. Not saying that it's not making a ton of torque, because it is, but the numbers are going to be a little bit skewed because of that. And there's no real way around that, short of being able to lock up the torque converter. So the three lines that you have here is the red line you're looking at. That is the supercharged power without the nitrous. The pink line at 739 horsepower is the nitrous on a 100 shot. And then the darker red, almost burgundy line, that's 806 horsepower and 981 foot-pounds of torque. That's with a 150 shot of nitrous. I had bagged the water box for the supercharger, and I had the air intake temperatures down to about 85 degrees when I did that pull. It was a pretty hot day that day. I think we were looking at somewhere around like 95 degrees or something like that it was. So cars make us pretty good power. The only thing that we really had a concern with was it was having a little bit of trouble keeping up with the fuel pressure to the mechanical fuel injection pump. The car will be coming back for some changes, but for the most part, pretty basic build here, and some pretty impressive numbers, as you can see by the chart.